Okay, this is the second video. This is a north retention pond on Clover Grove side. We got some siltworm being installed this morning already. And this is the swale. This is the drainway coming from the north, from 117th. Kind of parallels Mrs. Smith's property. It gets down here. Still have some major erosion in the final, the base of the drainway. Well, this pond right here discharges over here into here, and from here it goes into Mrs. Smith's drainway and goes to her small pond, and then discharges through a 12-inch through the dam between Pop's and Mrs. Smith's, a 12-inch into Pop's pond. Now this is the discharge that was providing the most clay water this past weekend. I guess Sunday and Monday, 26 hours, we had 4.5 inches of rain, and that's using my 2 rain gauges. Now 4.5 inches seems like a lot, but it's not really a lot around here in 26 hours. We normally have that once a year, if not more. What would be a lot of rain would be 4.5 inches in an hour and a half, which we have had a couple years back. But anyway, so the spillway for this pond looks to be over here and then flows to the next pond, and I'm not sure where the discharges are going on that southern pond that I'm aiming at now, but they got pretty good ground cover here. Now of course there's a berm separating the drainway of the lots, backyards, and the property line. So it looks like everything on the west side of the berm is brought into this point here. It looks like they're going to be putting more silt worm further south where I was before. Okay, thanks for watching my video.